Alright, let's get right into the charts. For weeks, Jasmy has been stuck in a classic symmetrical triangle pattern. This is a powerful signal of market indecision, where the price consolidates before a major move. The good news is, we've now seen a clear breakout to the upside. But the even better news is that the price has successfully retested that breakout zone, which is a key confirmation for a sustained upward trend. Now, after that retest, the price has retraced into a crucial area we call the weekly fair value gap, or FVG. For those of you who aren't familiar with this concept, a fair value gap is a space on the chart where the price moved so quickly that it left an imbalance behind. When the price revisits this area, it often acts as a strong support or resistance level. In this case, the weekly FVG is acting as a powerful support zone, a critical level that bulls must defend. The price is currently hovering right at this support. The momentum is a bit mixed, and we're seeing some bearish indicators, which is a natural reaction after a significant surge and a subsequent decline. Jasmy rallied a massive 60% in July, and it's since retraced about 28% of that move. This kind of pullback is healthy. It's a reevaluation by the market, and now we're at a pivotal point. The chart is screaming that as long as this weekly FVG holds, the overall structure remains bullish. The setup is looking incredibly clean, and it's giving us a high probability swing trade opportunity. Based on this technical analysis, we've identified a clear, high-probability swing setup. The price has shown strong bullish signs on the 4-hour time frame, forming two distinct bullish order flow legs. This tells us that buyers are still in control and are ready to push the price higher from this crucial support zone. Entry: $0.01514. This is our ideal entry point, right at or near the current support level. It's a strategic entry that allows us to capitalize on the potential bounce from the weekly FVG. Target: $0.0208. This is our primary take-profit target. It aligns with a previous high and a major resistance zone. Reaching this level would confirm a full reversal and a strong continuation of the rally. Stop loss: $0.0132. This is our risk management level. Placing the stop loss below the weekly FVG ensures that if the support fails and the bearish momentum takes over, we exit the trade with a manageable loss. This setup is based on a clear bullish structure. As long as the weekly FVG holds, we have a strong case for a continuation to the upside. We're monitoring the lower time frames for further confirmation, but the overall picture is looking very promising. If you're finding this analysis valuable and you want to stay ahead of the crypto market, then you need to hit that like button and subscribe to the TJ Crypto World channel. This is the kind of real-time, actionable information that helps you trade smart. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. While our technical setup is very strong, it's always important to understand the fundamentals behind the project. Jasmy, Jasmy, is a fascinating project focused on the Internet of Things, IoT, and data security. Its goal is to give users back ownership of their personal data, which is a massive and growing market. Jasmy is often called the Bitcoin of Japan, which gives you a sense of its ambition and local support. The project has been making steady progress on its roadmap, and this recent surge in price and developer activity could be a sign that the market is finally waking up to its potential. We're seeing strong signs of life in the altcoin market, and Jasmy is a prime example of a project with both strong technicals and solid fundamentals. This isn't just a random pump, it's a project with a real use case that's now entering a crucial phase. So, here's the bottom line. Jasmy has successfully broken out of a major consolidation pattern and is now retesting a critical support zone. The charts are giving us a clear, high-probability swing trade setup. The structure is bullish as long as the weekly FVG holds, and our entry, target, and stop-loss levels are clearly defined. The market is currently in a state of indecision, but the technicals are leaning bullish. The coming days will be crucial. If bulls can defend this support, we could see a powerful continuation of the rally. If they fail, we could see a retest of lower levels. Always remember that risk management is key. Trade smart, follow your plan, and never risk more than you're willing to lose. This is a fantastic opportunity, but it requires discipline and a clear strategy. Thank you all for joining me on this deep dive into Jasmy Coin. Your support and engagement are what make the TJ Crypto World community so strong. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. And make sure you check out some of our other videos on the channel right here. Let's keep this conversation going and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, Stay safe in the market.